In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rear wiper arm on your Cadillac Escalade located on the rear hatch. To access the securing nut for the wiper arm, it's underneath the wiper nut cover. So we're going to use a flat pocket screwdriver right here, gently lift up, and we're going to pry this off top and bottom. That's going to expose the nut right here. You want to go loosen and remove this. Using a 13mm socket, let's go ahead and loosen that. You can grab that wiper arm. You're going to lift up the arm just like so, pull it up and away. And I want to work this arm off. Now, sometimes you'll have to get something underneath the edge here to go ahead and pry this off of the spindle. You may also have to use some rust penetrant on this here, let it soak in a little bit. Might make it easier to pop that off. Now, in our particular model here, this is kind of stuck onto the spindle. You can try and use a pry tool around the perimeter, something like this here, and work your way around it, try and work that off. But I don't want to slip and damage anything on the vehicle itself. So your next best bet, you can use a press tool here. This actually clamps onto the arm. Simple tool like this here is actually used for removing battery terminals as well. So what you're going to do is basically put this little arm on the center of the spindle and pry that off, just like so. Go ahead and slide that off. Go ahead and pull the port out of the rubber gasket there and go ahead and set that aside. Then we're going to go ahead and remove our wiper blade. So you're just going to fold this up and gently pull that down and off, and you're releasing this bar out of this notch. I'm simply going to swap this over to our new wiper arm. Let's go ahead and clean the shaft here. I'm going to use some spray solvent. Clean this. Take the new rear wiper hose, and that had looped around over, so you can press this in to the gasket. And on this here, you're going to lift up on this cover. And this is spring-loaded, and this shaft is splined here. So what we want to do is we're going to put our tab in the lock here, line this up, and press down. Once that's in place, we can now go ahead and install the nut. You can use a 13mm socket on your ratchet as well for this here. That's good. You want to snug that down. You now press that down, snap that into place. Take your wiper blade. You're going to gently lift up on this arm, slide that out. You're going to line up this arm with the engagement clip on there. Press it on until you hear it snap in. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.